Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss about the law of chemical combination, the second law, which is law of constant proportion. This law is given by Joseph L. Proust in 1797. He said that when the formation of chemical compound, for example carbon dioxide, when the formation of chemical compound during the atomic mass of element or atomic mass of atom, or suppose this is a carbon and oxygen, O2 give carbon dioxide. Here is carbon is 12 gram and oxygen is, we know that oxygen atomic weight of oxygen is 16 and 16 to 2 is equal to 32. Here is 32 gram oxygen and 12 gram carbon combined to form 44 gram carbon dioxide molecule. Here is also equal to 44 gram. This follows the rule of law of conservation of mass. 44 gram 12 gram carbon and 32 gram oxygen combined to make the weight 44 gram, and here also in the product side here is a 44 gram of carbon dioxide. But we are going to talking about law of constant proportion. During the formation of what is the ratio candidate? What is the ratio of carbon and oxygen? Here is the 12 gram. The 12 gram is carbon and 32 gram of oxygen combined to form carbon dioxide. So we can, if we minimize them, here is 4 3s are, if we minimize them, 12 is to 32. If we minimize 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. So it will be 3 gram if we minimize them. If we divide by 4, 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. It will be divided by 4 and the final value is 3:8, means 3 gram carbon and 8 gram oxygen form carbon dioxide. In everywhere, during the carbon dioxide, the ratio of carbon is here 3. Ratio of carbon is 3, and a ratio of oxygen is 8. Ratio of oxygen is 8. And this value is coming from, this is very simple. The atomic weight of carbon is 12, atomic weight of oxygen is 16, but here is given is 2 oxygen, it will be 16 into 2 is equal to 32. If we after minimize, how will we divide? We will divide with 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32, which means we have find 3:8 gram, means the ratio of carbon in CO2 is 3 gram and ratio of oxygen will be 8 gram, means total 11 gram of carbon dioxide. In the one molecule of carbon dioxide, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide is contains 11 gram and 11 gram is 3:8 ratio everywhere in the universe. If we talking about the everywhere, the composition of carbon and oxygen in the CO2 molecule will be same, which is 3:8, means 3 gram of carbon and 8 gram of oxygen combined to form 11 gram of CO2 molecule. In this way, and if we talking about the another, we understand about the other another help of the compound during the formation of H2. During the formation of H2O. So this is the H2O compound. Water. What is, you know that previously we discussed about carbon and oxygen. In the CO2 molecule, the ratio of carbon is 3 and ratio of oxygen is 8. Means one molecule of carbon dioxide contains 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 gram of carbon. 11 gram of means, and in other way, the ratio of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide molecule will be 3:8, means 3 gram of carbon and 8 gram of oxygen. So let's take another example for the understanding purpose. Here is the 2 hydrogen and only 1 oxygen, means 2 hydrogen. We know that atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 and here is a 2 hydrogen means 2. Oxygen is the 1 oxygen is atomic weight is 16 and here 1 means 2:16, means in the water molecule the hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 16, means if we minimize them with the help of 2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are 16, means 1:8, which is actually 2 into 16, 2:16. अब if we minimize them, शॉर्ट में अगर हम इसको करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2:2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are 16, means after minimize we have find the 1:8, means the 9 gram, the 1 water molecule, this is a 1 water molecule. How to any molecule is formed? The combination of two atoms or 2 elements. Combination of 2 atoms or 2 elements or more elements. 2 or more elements or atoms combine to form a compound or molecule. So if you have confusion about the atoms and molecules, suppose if you are talking about the molecule of HCl, if you see the hydrochloric acid, the molecule will be seen like as this is the hydrogen and this is the chlorine. This is our hydrochloric compound or hydrochloric molecule. One molecule of hydrochloric. So this is the size. This is the hydrogen. Side of hydrogen is less than chlorine. So let's take this is example. During the formation of compound from the element, the mass will be or ratio of 2 different elements will be fixed in everywhere in the universe. For example, the 1.8 ratio will be same in everywhere of the H2O molecule. कहीं का भी जो H2O molecule होगा इस यूनिवर्स में कहीं पे भी जो H2O molecule होगा उसमें हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का जो रेशियो होगा वो 1:8 का ही होगा. उसमें 8 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन होगा और 1 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन होगा. अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की बात करें, इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर कंपाउंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड which contain the 3 gram carbon and 8 gram of our oxygen. In this way we can say that in the reference of law of constant proportion, given by Joseph L. Proust. He say that during the formation of compound, the ratio of two different elements will be constant during the formation of compound. So in this way we say that the ratio will be not vary during the formation of compound. If we talking about the calcium carbonate, if we supply heat, it will be break into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. If we break the calcium hydroxide, if we break, and if anything you want to break, you will have to need of energy, and calcium hydroxide require extremely heat and CaO plus H2. And if you want to another compound, calcium nitrate, it will be breaking into CaO plus nitrate, and it will be nitrate, it will be NO2, nitrogen dioxide gas will be released, and plus oxygen will be released. So here is our 5 oxygen, here is a 2 oxygen. Sorry. Here is a 5 oxygen. Here is a 2, here is a 2, 4, and this is 1. Nitrogen monoxide and oxygen will be released. And if we erase it will be in this way. In all this reaction, there is a calcium nitrate, calcium hydroxide, and calcium carbonate. After provide the maximum optimum heat to breaking this compound, it will be broken into this compound calcium oxide, calcium oxide, calcium oxide. If we correlate this whole compound, these three are the different types of compound. The calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide is the base, calcium carbonate is the salt, and it is also salt. So, but after the breaking of this calcium compound, it will be break into the calcium oxide. And calcium oxide, during the formation of calcium oxide, we will also understand what is the ratio in calcium oxide. So we know that the atomic weight of calcium is 20. Simple calcium oxide, taking the calcium oxide, and it is a 20 plus 8, means what is the ratio about them? 4 5s are 20 and 4 2s are 8, means 5.2 after minimize. Here is the calcium atomic weight is 20, oxygen atomic weight 8. After minimize them, this is the actual ratio of the calcium oxide, but after minimize we have find 5.2, means 5 gram of calcium and 2 gram of oxygen. In whole the reaction, whole the product, we will find the only in every calcium oxide. This calcium oxide is coming from different different compound. This is a calcium carbonate, it is a salt. This is a calcium hydroxide, it is a base. And this is a calcium nitrate, it is also salt. This is three different compounds, and after splitting them, we will find the same product, which is calcium oxide, and calcium oxide. After seeing this ratio of the two elements, which is calcium and oxygen, the calcium weight, atomic weight is 20, and oxygen weight, atomic weight is 8. After minimization, we will find the ratio of calcium oxide, we will find the 5 gram of calcium and 2 gram of oxygen. Here is means in all these products which is coming from the different compounds, the ratio will be 5.2. In this way, we see that during the chemical reaction, the proportion of every element is same during the chemical reaction. During the chemical reaction, the proportion of two elements or two different elements is same in everywhere in the universe. And this calcium oxide comes from the different types of compound, but after finding the ratio will be 5.2, and 5.2 will be applied to these three different compounds. In this way, we can say that the law of constant proportion is applied in all compound, and during the formation of any product is the mass of any atom or any element will be same proportion in everywhere in the universe.